Hey guys, I'm just going to try to make really big burps, like bigger burps than the last video. And Orajov, I think that's your account name, I hate you for calling me a noob. On my second video. Now, here it goes. Isn't big at all, it's just medium. Okay, trying some more. And it kind of hurts. Small. What?
Can you bring me down a pack of cigarettes out of the freezer and my phone?
Okay, just a minute, guys.
We're on the door, I think. The freezer.
I know.
My phone's around there somewhere. Oh my god, the stairs are gross.
The what?
Stairs. I would die here. On my phone.
Take a video. Sorry about that. My mom just asked for cigarettes on her phone. Okay. That was a big burp. It makes sweat for some reason. Okay, rate and subscribe.